Here I have ZYREX ZA987 and let me show you how to take screenshot on the following device. At the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it could be, for example, the list of settings. And let's assume that I want to save this screen, so all I need to do is use the combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys. And as you can see and hear the device just to a screenshot. So let's hold down one more time, power key and volume down, like for about 2 seconds. And you just capture the screen. Now here you can also try to find the screenshot folder. You can do this operation in 2 ways. You can use the upper bar and tap screenshot captured, or you can always open the home screen. Let me show you. From the home screen, let's use the gallery, and here tap screenshot folder. Now you can share, edit, delete, or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.